Hi everyone, I just created a Chrome extension just using Lovable.Dev, that too with the free credits that it offers. I just used 3 credits of the 5 free credits and I was able to create a Chrome extension. So without wasting any further time, let me show you how I did it. The idea is to create a JSON formatter that like this. So you can see a JSON formatter where it just format the JSON for you. So if you have a pretty large JSON, then it would be helpful if you can get it a tree view like this. So the initial idea that I got creating something like this is because you could see the amount of ads that these pages have, which is kind of not a good experience. So since we have AI and things like that, it would be just a work of couple of minutes that we would be able to create something similar to this. So let's see if we can build that with Lovable.Dev. So I have right here. First go to Lovable.Dev, then we'll ask if it can create something similar to this. See, again, a lot of ads as well. Okay, it has giving me. Let's see if it is going to write the things in just one go. After creating the application, it is having some problem, it seems. So we'll ask Lovable to just fix. All right, so yeah, so I think we have got application. So let's see. Okay, this have a lot more features. Okay, it is getting formatted as expected. What is this? Minify. Okay, minify. Validate. Validate. Tree view. Okay, it is giving the tree view as well. So let me see if I can download this. Okay, the download is not working. What about upload? Upload. Okay, I don't have any. Okay, I'll just upload something. Okay, upload and downloads are not working. So clear. Okay. JSON format. Okay, all those things are working. Okay, let's use ChatGPT and create some JSON for testing. Create a sample JSON for testing. Okay, now I want with this without formatting, so I'll ask for without formatting. Okay, and let me paste it here. Let me try to format. Okay, it is getting formatted now. So the download is not working. Pretty much all features are working except upload and download. So let me see if the copy feature is working. Copy. I'll use here. Okay, the copy feature is correctly working. Now let's tell Lovable to just solve this issue that we have with the download option. So it's not working. Let me see how much credit did I use. Okay, I just used one. Let me see. Create a downloadable JSON. Okay, let's see one more. Format. Okay, download is working fine. Let me open that. Okay, that's working. So the download feature is currently working. Now let's see if the upload feature is working. upload. Okay, the upload feature is also working. So with just two prompts I was able to create the JSON formatter app in React that I wanted to use. We have successfully created the application. Now either we have to host it somewhere to use, or we should be starting up the server each time that you wanted to use. So I think if you can convert this to a Chrome extension, so you can just open the Chrome and use that extensions to work, right? So that would be a little more easier. So I'll ask Lovable if it can convert this particular application into a Chrome extension. So I'll say convert this application to a extension. So let's see if Lovable can create a Chrome extension out of this. Lovable is good for creating web application. I'm not sure if it can create a Chrome extension. So let me see this. So I'll help you convert this JSON format application into a Chrome extension. This requires creating necessary Chrome extension files and adapting the React app to work within the extension environment. So I hope it can create a Chrome extension. Let's see. So after spending some time, it just got stuck in between. So I had to give the prompt again, asking to convert the application to Chrome extension, and it gave me the additional files that is required for creating the Chrome extensions. So I have successfully converted your JSON format application into Chrome extension, and here is what I created. Here is the details what it has done. So combat pop-up interface and tabbed interface to switch between input and output. All original functionality preserved. Okay, Chrome extension manifest with proper permission and configurations. All right. Now to install and test the extension, Lovable has given us what we should be doing. So we have to build the project with npm run build, then open Chrome, go to Chrome extension, enable developer mode, load, unpack, select the dist folder. Extensions will appear in your browser toolbar. So let's see if it is working. So the first thing that you should do is you have to get this code running in your local. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just push this to my GitHub, then clone it to my local. Yeah. Okay, the project has got connected. So here is the URL. Cool. Okay, we got all those files. So let's see if it is working. Let me open this application in my Visual Studio Code. Okay. Popup.html, manifest.json. So these are the few files that we required for creating a Chrome extension. So one is popup.html and the other one is manifest.json. So let's see if we can create it. So first, good. Let me take a build for this one. Okay, it is working as expected. Format, okay. Download, that's also working. Upload, that's working. Okay, so every features are working. Now let's see if we can create a Chrome extension out of this. So right now I'm taking the build. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I have successfully made the build, and we have this folder right here. This is the one that we have to add to Chrome to get to use the Chrome extension. So let me go to Chrome, load, unpacked. Manifest file is okay. Let me see what. Okay, the manifest file is missing. Okay, we have manifest here. Let me see. Let me place it inside this folder. Okay, now let me try again. I see. Public. Okay, so this is the path, but I let me see what went wrong. Public. Okay, we don't have a public folder here, so let's just. Okay, here it is. Okay, right now it is working, I think. Okay. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and get the. This is the unformatted version of a JSON. So let's see if it works. Here it is. Okay. Okay, it is working. Then let me see if download is also working. Let me see if the upload feature is working. Oh no, what was that? Okay, upload is also working. Minify is working. Then validation is working. If you can see the tree view, okay, tree views are also working. Clear is also working. Well, that's great. I was able to create a Chrome extension using Lovable with just 3 credits. And I'll just share my GitHub link, and you can go through the code and you can just validate yourself how well this has come out. So let me know in the comment section how well the code is, and see you in the next one. Well, that's how you create a Chrome extension just using Lovable.Dev free service. So out of the 5 free credits, I just used 3 of them and I was able to create a wonderful app. It has great UI, all the features were working. How easy it is, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till then, this is Caster Joseph signing off.